The Christmas is not a Christmas that we have to celebrate. Due to the elections and stuffs like the dollar rate and other stuffs, patronizing of our items are not moving. We are not experiencing any form of buying or somebody coming to buy like formally, people coming for invoices and other stuff to come and buy. Now we are not seeing it. So it has made the Christmas something like we are just in. And as Christians, we don't have to depend on any economy of any government. I think we have to depend on the economy of Jesus Christ, because He is the one who is going to make everything possible for us. Whenever we think of any government coming to do something for us, then we are just joking. We should pray for ourselves so that God will come in and God will help the government also to do something for us better. I wish my mommy, Nana Ophobia Frakuma of Achim Sechere. I wish her happy Merry Christmas and an happy New Year, long life, prosperity, and all my families. I wish my children, Isaac, Benjamin, Princess Stephanie, and Lady. I wish them all a Merry Christmas, and all my friends and loved ones, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah, my view, maybe I'm expecting a very good what I say. Because yeah, as a young guy, I believe in Christ, so what I say. So me expectations yeah, because I'm on for the better idea. Even you be a fifty, and I could be small kind, so what I say. Yes, so that's sorry. A bomb person, I could come better. A best of mine. Yes, I share bushing for. First of all, my first wish is to my mom, my dad, and my friend. Yeah, my friend Kenneth. Yeah, my mom is Patience Kwasha. My father is Mr. Setopon. And my siblings. Yeah. I wish them Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Business is booming. It's booming in Christmas because of the last election. Majority of Ghanaians voted for the former president. So now everybody's happy. So they are coming to the market to come and buy things. So market is booming. Market is booming. I want to see, and I want to see Ghanaians like. I love Ghanaians, so I want to see them happy. I want to see Ghanaians happy. I want to see them working. I want to. I like it. I want to see. That's how I want the government to put measures, change the system we are working in right now. Then Ghanaians will start thinking. There's those low IQ. Ghanaians more Ghanaians are having low IQ. So I want to see them. Yeah. But I like the vibe. Yeah, I like it.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you. Yeah, we're out. Christmas here, Nibi. And before you any Christmas. You be who? And the end is for the edge of money. And the idea. Yeah, they are doing a this time. Chia will be a Mechia, Mema Menum, Micro Mutumfa. Mechia, my daughter for Fanco barrier. Accra, I've been soon Sanity, even with Tonka Crack, I've been soon from Sanity. Oh, well, also ye, but me face said, Nessie, Mamma baby, Bibia be 5 says, up upon the Mijanidi. Say, Bibia be then say, long life. Therefore, yen traffic, that down quite full. Yeah, sure, Yame. I am a run share of your missing. I am fire run share mamma say, Mamma be so dear, maybe Sammy Menia, my daughter Yamichium.
So what? Okay, see, next week your Christmas, and then I'll expect you.
Oh, actually, yeah, they own a business now, yeah. We hope say a big movie. At the time, so. Nothing within the holidays. Yeah, Saturday and rest. Yeah, expectation there within this week before Christmas. All we are expecting is at the time. Actually, me shut down your Christmas fan, but I feel as when they may show be any joy expected. I feel so. We are sharing to you and young boy.
This Christmas and this year, I expect people to buy more than next year, because I think people are complaining too. There is no money and stuff, but I hope by God's grace, by next year, everything will be fine. So I expect people to buy more. But it's not like that. But I hope next year everything will be fine. I wish all my family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.